Hi lovelies, good morning, welcome to my channel. So today is another vlog and I have a lot of things to do today. You know, I make these lifestyle vlogs when I take leave from work. So today I'll be organizing the house and putting things in their respective places. I'll be cleaning place I don't normally clean on a daily basis, some place like the garage, but I don't think I'll be filming that. But later in the evening I'll be cooking, but I'll be filming the cooking aspects. So maybe I'll be attending to, I'm not quite sure, but just maybe I'll be attending to my small business. So that's it for today. That's the to-do list for today. So first let's make some tea. So let's go to the kitchen. So guys, let's go make some tea because I need to get started for the day. So I'm going to boil some water. So guys, here's the ingredients for the soup. So this is paprika pepper, then tomatoes, garden eggs, that's the frozen goat meat, and here comes the spices: red onion, garlic, peppercorn, then bay leaf, dry bay leaf. So basically these are the ingredients for the soup. So guys, I'll start by boiling the garden eggs and the paprika pepper. So for the soup, after adding the tomatoes, peeling the onion and cutting some into cubes, you put everything together like this, then continue with the rest. So guys, this is okra. I'm going to boil it and then add it to the dish when it's ready. So guys, I'm going to blend the tomatoes in a blender. So guys, moving on to the actual gigi. This is the gigi flour. This is basically a cassava flour that I'm going to boil. So guys, as the water comes to a boil like this, you put in the flour and you stir it fast. You need a strong hand for this. So as it thickens, you begin to press it against the wall like this in a fast manner. What was the need for the 65?
Even I don't know. I just wonder.
I think they gave her some drip.
Oh, but they said that when they are to discharge her, they will add all of the drugs and everything.
I think it's
and the drip, that is the infusion, is part of the drug.
I think maybe the drug, the drug or the emergency may be different from the drugs at the ward. So adding the drugs to the adding the drugs to the bill, I don't. It's just the ward drugs, not the emergency drugs.
Oh.
I want to believe so.
I don't think so.
Can I take one of them each? No, don't chew all. Oh, I'm reading now. Oh, why are you laughing? Good morning, guys. So So today I'm going to attend to my business. I have a small business I'm running. So today I'm going there. I don't think I'll be taking the camera along with me because that place is crowded and I don't want to spoil my camera. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi lovelies, good morning. Today is another day and I'll be attending to my business as usual. Today you'll not be seeing clips of cooking because I'll probably not be cooking. And I'll order food and then enjoy it in the evening. Also, my sister has gone to her station, so today in the evening will just be me. As you saw the other day that I cooked, I was just having a relaxing night with her while I was cooking. While I was enjoying my food, sorry. So today will just be me, and I don't think I will be vlogging in the evening. So that will be it for today's to-do list. So guys, check out my outfit. This one is from Poke's Creation, you know guys. So that will be it for today's to-do list. I've finished doing my routine in the morning. I'll just be heading off. So I'll see you when I get back. Hi guys, good morning. Today is another day. And as usual, I'm attending to my business. Today I'll be taking a walking stroll on the street and I'll be taking you guys along with me so you see how the environment and everything is. And then later in the evening, I'll be filming a little bit. So let's get going guys. Hey guys, so I just got back from my errands and I have one last thing I need to do. I'm going to give an injection to a cousin of mine. She was discharged from the hospital 2 days ago and the doctor asked me to give her an injection, a diabetic injection on the shoulder. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And you know I can't be filming a sick person, so I'm going there right now and I'll see you guys when I get home. Wow, village spiritual is the best. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog for the night here. Don't forget to like this video if you want me to do more vlogs. Click the links in my description to watch other videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.